Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make good LinkedIn profile for everyone and professional. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So it will be a very short video because I'm going to cover everything in short. So just keep watching it. So let's start with the video. First guys, this is, as I told you, this is a for professional network, and this the general people use for the B2B business or professional connect. So first, the profile photo is a very important. Here you have to use the very professional photos. Don't use your Instagram or Facebook photo here. So photo should be close up and professional look with the professional clothes. Okay, so use the professional photos in LinkedIn. Then use your core photo, uh, which showcase your business, or you can search the professional peoples from here. If you have searched like YouTuber, or if I search brand manager here, okay, so you can see the profile photo of every top profiles. You can see the all profile photo is close up and they have some little bit smile on this space, you can see. And if I open any profile here, you can see, so let it open first. Okay, this person cover photo is normal and it is look professional. So you can add the cover photo as a professional, or it is for individual. Let me check another one. Okay, they keep the by default cover by default cover photo. You can keep it, but it should be look like professional. Okay, and your photo also look like should look like professional. So it should be a closer photo and has some smile on space. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the SEO of your LinkedIn profile. Or so every search engine or every professional accounts or social media account has some algorithm. So you have to follow the algorithm to to get the more connection and to be discovered on this platform. So here I suggest you use your talk about hashtag. Use the relevant hashtag here. Okay, use your professional name and like your title. Okay, so in LinkedIn, the LinkedIn by default get your job designation as a title. Okay, you can use the talk about, which where you can use the hashtag, so it will be more visible to LinkedIn to get. Okay, and you can also go to the add section, add the core. Okay, here you can add the education, add position, career break, skill. Okay, so you have to complete your 100% profile. So add everything, your experience, your project, what you have, awards and all. Okay, so this is very important, so others you can easily add from here, language and all. But this hashtag and talk about is very important because it will be increase your visibility on LinkedIn. Okay, so how you can use it, just scroll down and go to the creator mode and just on it. After on, you get this creator hub window, and here you have to add your topics, related topics you have to add here, and just click on done. You can add up to 5 topics, so it is like hashtag of your profile. Okay, so just click and enter the hashtag and click on done. So it will be help you to make more discoverable or visible on your LinkedIn. Okay, so another, if you click on this down arrow and go to the setting and privacy, and here you can the option, there is a lots of option here. You can change your language, you can. Okay, so I'm going to just talk about the SEO about. Okay, so you go to the visibility, and here you can see the profile your option. You can change private mode to public mode, You can edit your public profile. If you click on change, you can see you can edit the credential. Okay, just edit. Okay, let me come back. Okay, you can add your profile URL, you can add the credential, you can check the visibility and all. Okay, so I just come back and show you the option in visibility on your LinkedIn, the mention on tags. Okay, followers, notify the connection when you are in news. Okay, or share the profile updation to your networks. Okay, so this is also very important, because when you get any promotion or any awards or certificates, when you add it, so it will be shared to your network, so you should be on it. By default it is, I think, yes, no, off, but you should be on this, because when you change anything in education or your certificates, it will be notified to your connection. Okay, so there is a many setting you have to check one by one, and it will be help you to increase your profile. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.